Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this sample provided by Mignon. It was a sample, so thank you, Mignon, for the sample. It's a birthstone necklace for women, and it makes a great gift for a birthday. This is how it looks. This is the February stone, and mine is colored gold rose. It's approximately 17.5 inches long. And to take care of this, just use the original packaging. This is how it looks inside. Here is a little baggie that you can put it on. Avoid harsh chemicals. If you're going to practice a sport, remove it. Remove it if you're going to go to the pool, to the spa. And also, just keep it in a dry place, in a cool, dry place. On this, it makes a great gift. So this is how it looks on. It looks very nice. I can match it with my favorite jewelry. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.